Hi, it's Mark with At My Home, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Ryobi 10-inch cordless string trimmer and edger. And also, we happen to pick up a 3-pack of replacement strings. I'm sure you'll need those. All right, let's take a look what's in the box. There it is. All right, looks like you got a guard for you trim the edges, or when you trim the edges, I should say. And here it is. Comes apart like this, evidently. Let's push this together. Okay, it was a little bit hard to push in, but once I got it to push in, these little tabs line up. And the cool thing is, it has a feature where you can rotate the trimmer by just pressing these in and rotating 180 degrees. And now it's facing a different way with the handle. So that's kind of cool for, I guess, for edging. All right, so that's that. This is the cover. I'm gonna put this on. This is what protects you from the grass. And make sure you put it on the right way. So it goes like this. So it comes with 4 screws to tighten down. All right, so I've got 3 of the 4 in, but the last one in, you gotta kind of push a little bit to get the screws into it. There we go. So now I have it attached, all 4 screws. All right, handle set up, ready to go, looks good. And there should be batteries in here because it comes with a battery charger. Whoop. Okay, that's it. Got the battery out. So here's the battery, it's a lithium ion, 18 volts. All right, and it comes with a nice charger. And actually in the charger it has lights on it so you know what stage it's being charged at. Now what's really cool about this is an auto feed string, right? So you don't have to do anything, you don't have to tap it, you don't have to do anything at all, it automatically feeds. And let's put the battery on. That's it. Whoa, there you go. So that's it. So let's take a look at what it looks like when I'll do some things on the patio here. Okay, as you can see, that worked really well. Took those weeds right down, no problem, and I didn't have to do anything with the string, it was all automatic. Okay, so that's it. That's the Ryobi 10-inch string trimmer and edger. And it's very nice, it's very lightweight, 18-volt battery. They include the charger. And I would recommend getting extra spools because it comes in a 3-pack, so you can get more string to go with it. And that's it. We really like it. As you saw, it did a great job. Thank you.